Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Glenhart and today we are doing another unboxing. So I know a few weeks ago I filmed an unboxing of the GWSN The Keys album that was signed, and I actually have another one this time. I was looking on Twitter and I found this account called Delora Rogers that is actually selling a lot of their albums, and there I saw the GWSN The Park in the Night Part 3, so I was like, it's not every day that you see a signed album on sale, so I bought it. And I can't wait to open it, so let's get into it. So here is the package that it came in. You can see that it is from Lauren Rogers. Open it like this. I have my scissors here. And it is not open. You can hear the bubble inside. Pull her up and hear. Oh. Yeet. Okay, so she did say there was one extra thing here than came in the album. Here is the back of the album. And let's look at this picket first. It says Mixstar at the top. Then it says the GWSN logo. And here's a little handle. Look, it's all the girls. You can use it, you know, whenever you're hot. It's pretty nice. The album. So this is a signed album, so I'm guessing the other side will have the signatures. And let's turn it around. Look at that. Look at all their signatures. It's a little damaged, but that makes sense since it's secondhand. So here's Anne's signature, Soryang, Lena, Minju, Soso, Sakyong, and Mia. Here is the album art. It's so pretty. If you see on all the official audios on their YouTube channel, you can see that this part animated for every single song. And I think that's pretty cool. If all were to be lost, wouldn't it be that we would start anew? I'm not sure. So amazing having signed albums. And here is the back. The same as the front. And then here it is the track list. Going in order, it's Red Sun 021, All Mine, Coast of Azure, Bami Being, The Interpretation of Dreams, Total Eclipse, Blackout, Birthday Girl, 19 Candles, Kind of Cool, Black Hole, and Recipe for Simon. And then here is the Comcast sticker. Always look out for the hollow looking Comcast sticker because that means it is official. This one looks really nice. The side. See the top, the side, and the bottom. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. Here is a disc. You can see it says Girls in the Park in the Night Part 3. And it's so pretty. And here it says Girls in the Park in the Night Part 3. And it has this little letter. And at the bottom you can actually see a little text. With their talent sealed away, the excitement naturally dwindles. Upon putting aside all the splendor of using magic, the girls return to ordinary and somewhat peaceful lives. They slowly start to wither and tire. That is, kind of depressing. Let's look in this letter. What's in here? Oh, this is the little notes that they have in the trees. Then we can open it up and reveal the message inside. Don't hide yourself behind the word, I'm okay. I think it's just like a little message of encouragement from the girls. I guess fold it back to how it was. Not that I'm sure how it was before. Okay, what if it's like this, and then I, do this, but there's a crease here, so maybe I fold this over? Did I get it right? It looks about right. I'll take it. Put this here, meanwhile. What else is in here? Oh, I think there are two of them. Okay, so this is Anne. Look how pretty she is. And there's another one. This is also Anne. It says, Girls in the Park in the Night, Part 3. That might be your symbol, I'm not sure. And then it says Anne here. And the other one, Girls in the Park in the Night, Part 3. And then Anne's signature. There we go. Now we can finally turn to the first page of the album. So you can see the Girls in the Park in the Night, Part 3. That looks like a puzzle moon solar eclipse. And here is a track list again. That's really interesting. This illustration looks really cool. Alright. More text. It says, in society, the elders say each of you carry a tremendous gift or talent hidden within. However, how useful is a talent that cannot be accessed immediately? Wouldn't life be much more enjoyable if we live with joy each day and in every moment? For what reason are we enduring the mundane? I literally don't know. There's the sun, there's a puzzle crescent moon. Then here in the next page, there's a little atom-looking type of illustration, and at the bottom it says, Chapter 1 NREM, non-REM, which I guess stands for non-rapid eye movement, which means you're kind of half asleep or awake. So the girls decide to search once again for another gift or talent that may lie within themselves. So I guess what they're doing now is exploring who they are and many aspects of themselves. Ooh, put this to the side. Surely we don't each carry just one single talent. As their mantra, they ask themselves, what do I excel in? What am I capable of doing? They try multiple of things, persevering through failure. And on the other page, we see an OT7 picture and Mia, Lena, Soryang, Sakyong, Minjun, Soso. I place my scissors in here so I don't lose my spot. Look who it's a letter to. It's a letter to Gru. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's the Gru logo. That's nice. It's like a little tree. We open it and look inside. What is this? Is this it? It says, Wish on tree message. QR 코드를 확인해주세요. 여러분의 소원 쪽지를 남겨주세요. 공원 소녀가 소원을 이루어집니다. GWSN. So I'm not sure what that means, but I think I'm supposed to scan this thing. I think it's a random QR code to a random message from them to Gru if you scan it, but I'm not too sure. The other side is like a little leaf from a tree. Wonder what kind of tree it is with the scissors. By the way, I'm sorry my camera is going out of focus a lot. Okay, next page. We have Mia, Soryang, Minju, scissor time. It says Kiwi Media Group, Organo auditionane. It's basically for if you want to audition. Here is the information if you want, and here is the email you can submit your audition to. Here is something else. It says thank you to Gru. What is inside? Ah, this is interesting. I'm not sure how you could have gotten your name into this, but it is all the names of different Gru. Maybe these are the most active members of the fan cafe, but I really don't know how to operate the fan cafe, so I can't interact much. Next page, Lena, OT7, Anne, Sakyong, Soso. Oh, and I guess it's the next chapter already. There's something here. In the process, they collect precious goods in a diary-like online channel, GWSN. The channel becomes well known among their peers, and the girls sharing about what is important to them catches on worldwide. It arrives to be a safe place where many young people, who don't even know each other's faces, come to share openly about each of their journeys. That's so cool. So, like, grew. So, like, as if they were really in this universe, if this was, like, their actual story. Chapter 2, REM, Rapid Eye Movement. The girls conclude, "We have come to discover new gifts and talents while our initial findings were sealed away. Thus, we no longer have to be afraid of losing anything. Even if all were to be lost, wouldn't it be that we would start anew?" I'm pretty sure this was a repeated text. Maybe it holds some value then. My camera is not focusing today. They find a new hope and confidence. They decide to have another magic-filled meeting, the 23rd of July. And here are little pictures of certain items from the music videos and everything. So that's pretty nice. It's very aesthetic. I am a fan. This is another theme. So there's Mia, Sakyong, Minju, Lena, Anne, Sakyong, Soso. Ooh, pretty nice page set. So this is where the group is kind of split into two groups. And next is an OT7 picture. There's Mia on the other page. Looks like they're camping almost. And then next, ooh. Okay, wait. So this is an OT7 picture again. And there's lights everywhere. Oh my gosh, they're the fairy lights. Okay, so this over here came in a little package. It's backwards. It says Girls in the Park backwards. GWSN symbol, GRU symbol, and then this is the door symbol, I think. Or the Park in the Night symbol. I'm pretty sure these are temporary tattoos since they are backwards. They're pretty cool. Alright, here is, if you can read over here, Sakyong. You can hang this up somewhere and it looks really nice. And next page. Another OT7. And chapter 3. What is the most important to us currently? And here, like 2 planets. This is a tree. And it says chapter 3, DWD, or Dream Within a Dream. The girls discuss and decide. What we wish for the most is for the GWSN members to be together forever. As long as they are together, whether it be discovering new talents or any other matter, journeying through the unknown of life would not be a daunting task. Once the magic appears, no one knows what will come of it. So they take a group photo to commemorate the occasion, and then the magic begins. Cool, so I guess at the beginning, the chapter 1, NREM, is when they're kind of asleep or like drifting off. REM is them sleeping. They're finally in a dream, and this dream within a dream, so they start to realize some things. And then they start to go in a loop. I don't know. Flip the page and there's another text. An unfamiliar atmosphere rises and envelops the girls. They open their eyes each in different locations. Their friends are nowhere to be found around them. They get up as usual, get dressed as usual, and go to school as usual. However, it all somehow seems unfamiliar. Interesting. So could it be that they connect in their dreams, and then a dream within a dream is like they go somewhere else than the normal dream they have, which is with each other, so they're usually not together? But here is another theme. OT7. Here's Mia. Oh, it says something here. It says Mia, birthday 26th of May. Position, she is the dancer and rapper. 3 most important things in my life: cat, nap time, and GRU. Special occasion from my childhood: grandma's house. Emoticon that best expressed who I am. Not sure if you can tell what that is, but I think that's like a Minecraft Steve or something. So I guess now they'll say something about themselves. Then there's Sakyong. Birthday 26th of January. Position, leader, main vocal. Three most important things in my life are everyone who loves me, family, grew, and friends, etc., myself, and faith and trust. Special occasion from my childhood, the house I used to live in childhood before Masan home. I guess that's where she lives now. Emoticon that best expressed who I am. As you can see, it's kind of a I think that's a little drawing with Sodian. Minju. Oh, she's so pretty. Birth, 11th of March. Position, dancer. Three most important things in my life, family, social relationships, and happiness. Special location from my childhood, the house I used to live in when I first moved to Masan. Or I guess Masan is the place where your dorm is. Emoticon that best expressed who I am. Little bunny, straight-faced rabbit. Lena. Nana. You gotta be joking. Look how pretty she is. Lena. Birthday, 17th of April. Position, vocal. Three most important things in my life. Beliefs, happiness, and gratitude and humility. Special occasion from my childhood. Playground in front of my house. Emoticon that best expressed who I am. Little Lena heart. Next is Anne. Birthday, 17th of October. Position, rapper / subvocal. Three most important things in my life. Family, people around me, and grew. Special occasion from my childhood. Daejeon Gumdori Land. I think that's an island, maybe where she used to live or liked visiting. Emoticon that best expressed who I am. I think it's a concentrating face, or like, haha, I have an idea face. Next is Sakyong. Birthday, 16th of April. Position, dancer. Three most important things in my life. Dreams, girls in the park, and relationships with other people. Special occasion from my childhood. Friend's house in Okayama Prefecture in Japan. Emoticon that best expressed who I am. It's a little sucking drawing, maybe because her hair is like this. Next is So, bro, she's so pretty. We're almost done. Birth, 14th of March. Position, dancer. Three most important things in my life. Myself, people around me, friends, family, and members, and grew. Special occasion from my childhood is grandma's house. And emoticon that best expressed who I am is this. Alright, I think she was the last member for the little thing. And here is another OT7 picture. It says here from Girls in the Park. I am reading a lot today. The text says, then one day as class ends, their teacher announces, every single one of you has a unique gift and talent inside. Our job is to discover what that may be. The girls start to clutch each of the items in their hands. In each of their rooms, in each of their diaries, in each of their phones, in each of their wallets, they carry their GWSN photo. Ah, okay. So this is all the information from the track list. These are the lyrics. Red Sun 021. All Mine Costa Bazure. Bame Biheng, the interpretation of dreams. Total Eclipse Blackout. Birthday Girl 19 Candles. Kind of Cool. Black Hole. And a recipe for Simon. And what's here? These are all the credits for all the people that worked on the album. And then here are the SNS. And here is one final message. They are even meeting later at the park today. What shall we do today? What talent should we foster? What shall we accomplish together? The entire day is spent discussing whatever we do, whoever we become. In case how we find it of utmost importance to discover and grow our unique giftedness. And it ends with 2 sun illustrations. And then the album is done with. It's literally so pretty. I literally can't. The album is so perfect. And not to mention, I got this extra fan from Lauren. And this concludes the unboxing of GWSN The Park in the Night Part 3 signed album. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun watching this as much as I had fun opening it. It's so cool to know that now I have 2 signed albums from the same artist, and hopefully I'll be able to get the other 2 albums from their discography. The Park in the Night Part 1 and The Park in the Night Part 2. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave Lauren's Twitter down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!